Hello and welcome back. If you are new here, you are so very much welcome. Please make sure you subscribe, comment, and like this video if you are one who does hygiene and cleaning, anything that does with cleanliness and hygiene and makeup. You are in the correct channel. So today I woke up at exactly 8:30 and I didn't realize how cold it was outside, and I didn't realize how mist it was outside. I literally spent like 30 minutes, then it started raining. I do not know, it is still drizzling until now. If I can tell you, it's like 5 in the PM. So today I'm going to do a cleaning. I'm going to do a lot of cleaning. So first, before we go on, I have washed my carpets. I have 3 carpets. They've been washed, so I cannot wash them again. And then I really did moist clean my floor like yesterday night. I really had nothing doing last night, so I really did moist clean my floor. So I'm not going to redo that again. And by the time I was doing all that, believe you me, I thought of recording, but at the same time, there are those things that you just want to do when you are alone. And for whatever I'm going to use, first I'm going to use a cleaner, and this cleaner I got it from Carrefour. It is a multi-purpose cleaner. And then we have Velvex, that is for wooden furnitures. It cleans it and makes it shine, so I'm going to use it on literally anything that is wooden. And then I have Ushindi soap. That one I got from home. And literally those are the only cleanings that I'm going to do. I haven't done shopping for cleaning yet. I am yet to do that. I've just spent like, I don't know, is it 3 days, or I don't even know. So I need to get myself shopping for the cleanings. And I think I'm talking too much right now, and I'm going to get off and let you enjoy watching. So bye bye. And before I forget, I know I have to remind you, and kindly subscribe to my channel, like, share, comments, and subscribe, like, share, comments, and subscribe, like, share, comments. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye. and I decided to delete every social media that is making me think I am not doing better, because even if people still talk about that or social media is fake and everything, we are still under that pressure to keep up with the social media life. So I'm going to uninstall Instagram and TikTok and anything related to both. I won't uninstall Facebook because Facebook plays a major role on my YouTube, but for Instagram and TikTok, I am just going to delete them. And also, I am not a fan of Snapchat, so I'm still going to give it a little bit more time before I see if I can uninstall it or not. But up to this point, I am done with IG and I'm done with TikTok until further notice. And before I also log out, I started doing meditation. I don't do it for quite a long time. I'm a beginner and concentration is a big issue for me. So I do it for roughly 30 minutes and I am graduating with that. And I also do the intermittent fasting. I am really having trouble to pronounce that. So these three, I'm just detoxing from everything.